sunrise on Lake of the Ozarks. 5:39 a.m. Our young angler, our old angler, and the view. I am pumped. Are you pumped?
Mm-hmm.
I could not sleep last night at all.
Me
I was
neither.
super tired.
Me too.
Yep, but I couldn't. I was just so excited. We've never fished out of Nebraska before, so we're really excited about this.
Well,
I've
that's
never
gonna
been in a boat with an angler as good as James is.
Mm-mm.
So we're gonna try to learn a lot, have a good time. What else?
Say hey-oh.
Oh,
What you doing, Talia?
fishing.
Where are you fishing at?
Ozarks.
Lake of the Ozarks.
What are you fishing right now?
Oh, you had him. It's all right, keep working. He'll come back.
He's got a Zoom Super Fluke, just subsurface. Schooling spotted bass. Anything else we're missing?
Let me turn you and we'll go back down that side there where they're kind of schooling. See, they're still schooling over there.
Talia's on the board.
Hold up. So you're you're a camera guy there.
Yeah.
I got you right. Perfect.
What do you got, miss? What's he weigh?
You got a nice little 2-pounder.
He's fat. He's a chunky monkey.
Chunky monkey?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Nice fish.
Guess what? You're up, darling.
Oh, yeah, she's up.
2-pound lead.
Here, I might as well get me a picture of it
Jim Dill Guide Service. Hey-oh. He's throwing a Zoom Super Fluke white with a stinger hook, which is a cool idea. Which is probably normal for these peeps, but for us grass fishermen, that's a strange concept. There you go. We're live with Talia chasing chunky monkeys at Lake of the Ozark with the epic James Dill, aka Jim, Bass Slayer. Why was that cool?
Technology progresses so much quicker now.
Yeah, it's
It used
crazy.
to be 10 years you were okay. Now it's about 2 years. And these
Yeah.
graphs, everything, you're like, oh, you got the old model.
Yeah, you.
You know.
Well, even like,
Little guy. Little guy. That's all right. I was just looking back there.
Oh,
Got him off. That's all right.
quick release, chunky monkey fishing. Let's put this up so we can see you. We're gonna watch Talia reel in a big one.
Yep. Right here. This is a big fish bank right here.
TV on camera.
PB on camera. Whoa, whoa.
I have to hold that one pretty
That's
close.
definitely not a pound.
I have to hold that one pretty close.
Ah, look how big that guy is. I squeezed the poop out of him. What? We got. Maybe we should have made this PG.
Yeah.
Jim Dill, biggest bass you've caught.
9-4.
9-4. What lake were you at?
Place called Goose Creek in Missouri.
Goose Creek. That is a tame.
Yeah, that was big.
Did you jump up and down?
Did.
Did you do a fist pump?
Got pretty excited, but it was in the 1st of March. So he didn't fight a whole lot. He was
Yeah.
kind of laid on. I didn't realize what I had
Till you got him?
So we got to the surface.
Why is that? It's always like early spring with the big ones.
Well, they're full of eggs, and then they make themselves catchable.
Yeah.
Or normally,
Yeah,
they
because
go
they're
high.
lockjawed.
Right. Well, they go high. They go deep, or they get,
9 what?
9-4.
Holy moly. 9-4.
See, he can remember all the ounces. I'm just saying 3.5.
Here it was 3 and some change.
3.
I have it on Facebook. Peg.
48 ounces, I think.
Oh, right at the boat. Like
He hit you?
yeah, like 4 feet up right here.
Right. This bank here is similar to the one where we kind of started on. It's got a good history. A lot of fish kind of work this.
Yeah, it's steep drop off.
It's a real steep drop and it's got some good ledges.
Oh, that's a better fish.
Man, you better.
Nope, never mind.
Never mind, it's not a good fish.
All right, we're still rolling. Jim, favorite way to catch him?
Flipping a jig around docks.
Hey-oh.
Shaky head. Buzzbait.
What's your favorite kind of shaky head?
A little 1/4 ounce truck to get a shaky head.
There it is.
Huh?
All 3 of our subscribers are going to now know about Crockett Gators.
Oh, 3.
You're welcome.
color, paler, a little lighter.
And he scared the poop out of him.
Go to poop out.
Yep.
We can do that to both species.
I guess if I had a hook in my mouth, I'd be like that too.
Talia, what do you got?
A chunky monkey.
That's a chunky monkey.
All right.
Show Jim.
He's
Turn around, let
Santa
me get him.
Claus.
Tell them about Kentucky.
It's dark. It's later, I think.
Yeah,
Spots.
bronze color. The Ozarks,
tongue.
Kentucky, spotted bass.
The jaw.
Aggressive.
Smashing it up top. That's my first spotted bass.
There you go.
Hey-oh.
One bite.
Oh!
There he came, got it. All right, lift him in here.
That-
Oh,
Quick
come
release.
on. That was another Kentucky.
Oh, we got that time. Okay, quick, Charlie, double up. Right in there. Boom.
Got him.
Got him.
Hey-oh, we
Got him.
doubled up.
Double it up.
We doubled.
Yep, oh, spot. Hers.
Jim takes the fish off the hook,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah, he's a little Kentucky. You reeled up a little bit.
Look at that.
Oh, it's hooked on the boat.
Yep, so another Kentucky. See, all three of these been Kentucky. Drains you mentally.
How, like when you're going out, how many days are you prepping before a tournament?
Oh, about a week. A lot of
Whole
times.
week?
Yeah, a whole week.
Did you try to section it off? And I mean, how do you even start
Exactly.
breaking something down?
Exactly. I'll go to an area, different areas, like I'll come fish the gravois today.
Yeah.
Or I'll go fish the Nangwa, or I'll go way up the river, or I'll come down, I'll pick an area, a section of the lake, and really fish it hard to see. You got
You
one
too. Double
Double
up.
up.
Kiddo, we doubled up.
There we go.
Oh, look at him jump.
Jumpers.
Sorry, I should have I'll swing him up here.
That's all right. Play yours a little bit.
Uh-oh, I think you beat me, man.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh boy, he's kind of got a messed up lip, man.
Uh-oh.
He got
Jaw
caught
looks-
last week.
Someone
Yeah.
set a hook on that guy. Is that what that is, or?
Probably.
Can I see it?
Dang. Have you heard the term ripping lips?
Yeah, that's it.
Literally.
Yeah.
Fun to topwater fish. We don't get to do it very often.
Yeah. A little different. Oh,
Well,
both got
Got
him.
him.
Oh, she got it.
Oh.
Oh, spiders. Pull yours up here.
Daddy, I think you beat me.
What's that?
I think Daddy beat me. Yeah.
You may have won that time, huh?
Yeah, you beat me.
Okay, come sit with me. All right, we just finished a half day on the water with Jim Dill. What do you think?
I liked it.
What was your favorite part?
Um,
Did you like catching them on top water, or did you like catching them with worm?
top water.
Top water?
Mhm.
Fun. First time we've caught spotted bass, which was exciting. You got like a 2-pound spot
Mhm.
at the end, right where we started, right? You pulled up on them, popper, storm chug plug, boom. Got him, right?
Mhm.
The water is a lot choppier, and this
Yeah.
isn't even bad, he said, but
Yeah.
what we're used to.
Yeah.
What do you think of being in a big boat?
That was super fun.
Super awesome, right?
Mhm.
Beautiful boat. I haven't been in a boat like that before either. It was good for me.
Mhm.
And we just pelted as many questions at him as we could, didn't we?
Yeah.
He's a good sport.
Mhm.
If you guys are looking for some guide fishing, Lake of the Ozarks, Jim Dill's your man, right?
Mhm.
We'll definitely talk to him again when we're back in the area.
Yeah.
Yep. Say see ya.